Rockhounds, I know what you're thinking. Where can I find Rockhound locations near me? Or how can I find free rockhounding locations without spending money on apps or clubs? Well, you're in luck, because today I've got a fun and free rockhounding solution for you. Let's use Facebook to find amazing rockhounding spots, whether free or paid. Rock on!
Facebook has packed with a ton of groups, as you can see here, for rockhounds that like to share tips, locations, how to get there, and on and on and on. Restrictions, and they share pictures of the rocks. It's just really, really cool. But the best part is this is free. So you can join local rockhounding groups and get insider info on where to go rockhounding, collecting, without spending a cent. It's perfect. Here's how you get started. You open up Facebook. Imagine that. And you type rockhounding. As you can see, I've typed that, and some of these are auto-populating for groups I'm already part of. So you enter. You can also type rockhounding groups, and it's bringing up things that I've already follow, so that's why that's there. So let's go to groups, and you'll see a bunch of groups pop up. And there's a bunch of options for local groups, but these are ones that if you can't find one in your state and you type it in there and you type your city and you can't find one, I highly recommend like Rockhounding USA. Look how many people are in there, 7,400. This one's got 16,000 just rockhounders. This one's rockhounding. Wow, that one's got 90,000. I need to join that one. 10 posts a day. I mean, some of these are really active. Oh, there's one even for Lapidary, so you can check that out too, which is rock tumbling, cutting rocks, and everything for those of you that are really newbies. So look for groups with lots of members. This usually means they're active and they have good info. So I'm going to join this one because I just found it. So once you've joined the group, it is time to start exploring. Rock hunting, I should say. Okay. Like I said, many members share free locations that they've recently visited, complete with photos, as you can see, and tips. And some posts may also mention paid sites or guided trips, which are great options if you're looking for, something specific. Go with an organized group, and then they'll be able to educate you as you go. Make new friends. The rockhounding community is awesome. I haven't met one mean person, and I'm not kidding. Once you're in the group, you should be able to search. So let's type, this is me, by the way, if you want to find me on Facebook. So let's type Agates. See if there's anything, and this is searching in this group. Oh my goodness, look at that beauty. Wow. Look at that. Oh my God. Looks like an ear, I guess. So when you join a new group, introduce yourself, say you're new to rockhounding. If you're looking for specific advice, don't be shy and ask questions. Like, does anybody know where to find rockhounding in this location or that location? Let's go to this Rockhounding USA. So you in here, because this is so general, this is great for, again, if you can't find your, like Rockhounding Tennessee. I looked that one up and I couldn't find anything up there. So, you could come here and maybe somebody is from Tennessee in this group. See, this is rockhounding from all four corners of the U.S. You can ask questions like, does anybody know the free rockhounding locations near? And then you put your city or your state. Does anybody know any good spots for rockhounding quartz or jasper? You'd be surprised how helpful and friendly people are. Oh, look at that. So there you have it. Facebook is awesome. Free tool for finding rockhounding locations, and whether you want to explore free spots or join a guided trip, start exploring on Facebook and you'll be surprised what you can find and learn, and you're going to find a whole bunch of rockhounding in your location. Rock on!